Hi everyone. AI has been booming pretty much and उसके साथ में हमारी फिक्र्स भी बहुत बढ़ती जा रही हैं. जॉब रहेगी नहीं रहेगी, who is going to take our job, पैसा कैसे कमाए, एंगर इश्यूज बढ़ रहे हैं. So I actually am going to show you a amazing AI product which is nothing but a AI bot which is helping you do your complete flush out of your emotions and everything in a manner where you will find that yes, somebody is listening and helping you in the complete guided manner like a psychiatrist, but this is a AI psychiatrist. So let's play around with this thing. So this is a small website which is FikrBot. So all the fikrs, you don't have to do, you have to just ask the FikrBot. So it says that okay, chatbot is जो भी सोच रहे हो कह दो, कोई judgment नहीं, सिर्फ समझना है. I'm here to listen. So I say बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है भाई, एंड देन मुझसे अपनी बात क्यों नहीं शेयर करते, मैं सुनने के लिए यहाँ हूँ और शायद मैं मदद कर सकूँ. क्या आपकी किसी खास चीज़ की परेशानी है? हाँ, मिड एज क्राइसिस चल रहा है, पैसा कैसे बनाएं. ठीक है. So probably I'm taking the complete Hindi English version. So midlife crisis से गुजर रहे हो, ये आम है, लेकिन पैसा कमाने के तरीके ढूंढना भी ज़रूरी है. आपके पास क्या स्किल्स हैं? क्या किसी नई फील्ड में एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए तैयार हैं? हाँ, मैं एक अच्छा सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर हूँ, बट कोई जॉब नहीं मिल रही. सो सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू, आपका सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट स्किल बहुत वैल्यूएबल है. आप फ्रीलांस प्रोजेक्ट, ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म से इंटर्नशिप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. नेटवर्किंग भी मजे मददगार हो सकता है. क्या आप लिंक्डइन पर किसी से जुड़ने की कोशिश की? नहीं, कैसे करूं? So what I'm trying to tell you is that a real life problem, and then this conversation can go on, but how this entire thing is working and how this entire one pager website. So I'll leave this story for all of you to experience and try at the FikrBot, and I'm minimizing it. And what I'm trying to say that at this point of time, a lot of people are trying to build their own businesses and do a lot of stuff. So how does these websites and these entire proposition work for you so that your customer feels completely connected and engaged? Because अब इस पूरे के पूरे प्रोसेस में ये जो पूरा कॉन्वर्जेशन हो रहा है, ये पूरा AI ड्रिवन कॉन्वर्जेशन है, जिसमें हमने प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग, मशीन लर्निंग एंड कंप्लीट एडवांस AI स्किल्स को यूज करके इस पूरे बॉट को प्रिपेयर किया है. और ये बॉट कंप्लीटली साइकाट्रिस्ट का काम करता है. बट मैं कहता हूँ कि इसने शुरुआत करने के लिए लिंक्डइन पे ब्ला 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 समथिंग कुछ लिखा है. मैं बोलता हूँ, can I speak with you for consultation? So now the point is that business has to come up. So I would be happy. Would you like a free session with our AI psychiatrist, or you interested in a consultation with human expert? So ये जो एक मैंने आपको step बताया, this is a pivoting. Now it says that could you please share first name and last name and then confirm, no spam promise, all these things. So I say that okay, my name is Yogesh and email is Yogesh. So I'm just typing in the best possible way. Thanks. Would you like to, what would you like to focus? Okay. Job related tensions. So again आप देखिए किस तरीके से ये completely उसको pivot कर रहा है. And now it says that okay, job related tension, private time. So day after tomorrow, anytime. So it says March 7th. So इसको पता है कि आज क्या डेट है, और ये March 7th को मेरे को 3 बजे का ऑप्शन दे रहा है. एंड आई से यस, and it says workflow error. So so let's now understand that how we fix these workflow errors. So the point is that when we are doing these kind of bot building and these kind of engagement, so we are building it all in these kind of canvas. and I've actually created this workflow to give an error because I wanted that when we are running this complete flow, you should know how these calendars are being working at the back end, how these agents are working at the back end, how these chat models are working at the back end, how these buffer memory learns and retrain from these things. So this is pretty simple. And then we have the configuration windows where we can actually come and create our own engagement in such a manner that this will help us. So right now the configuration and everything which has been done works specifically for the account which is configured. So I'm just going to use my account which is my account which is connected with the GServe. I'm just saving this, and I'm now going back and going to refresh this particular thing. Can you book my appointment? Perfect, bingo. So this is where I specifically ensured that when these AI tools and techniques are running, how are you going to make sure that your product is making sense for the businesses? And when I see this thing, it says your appointment has been confirmed, and I check this thing, link is being there, and कैलेंडर पे मेरे पास आ रहा है कंसल्टेशन रिगार्डिंग जॉब रिलेटेड टेंशन, मेरा ईमेल आईडी जो मैंने दिया था, and it has been booked. So if I come back to the console again and I say that okay fine, this is great, a lot of people would come to me for a consultation, a lot of people will not come for a consultation, but I would like to join the mailing list. Now I'm going to show you another piece of work which is the automation, which is a non-AI automation, but it's the best way how any brand can engage with the respective prospect. So if I say that if we are building this particular mailing list, we are now taking the help of another tool called get response. Let me walk you through the get response and show you how this particular thing is completely working for me. So this get response is something where the landing page, so I'll show you the whole website has been built on landing page. It it took me hardly 4 hours to configure everything that you are seeing on FikrBot.com. So this is the FikrBot.com website, completely the one that you're seeing. It's configured, and this, if I want to edit anything, any piece in this part, I can just simply go there, pick up anything. It's a drag drop kind of a thing. Everything is configured here. This is the form. Now if anybody is filling this form and the data, everything is coming into my contact list. So the data that I've just filled in, which is FikrBot, so this is the one. So if you see, it says Yogesh at Copilots 5th March, and if I want to go and see the details of it, it says that okay, all of these things, right now the time when I'm recording this session, everything. Now what is autoresponder? Now we go to the autoresponder section, and autoresponder is something which is going to send an email the moment somebody fills in this particular form. So we come to the autoresponder section. We have 5 autoresponders which are going to go one by one. I've tested the first one, so it's showing the second option. But this particular autoresponder is something that should be in my email box, which I have given for that particular submission of the form. So if I see this particular autoresponder, it says that it will go the same time as the sign up, and then the content and everything has been configured here. So you're running a complete business on an auto mode. And if I show you this particular email which has come up on my email box, you will be able to see that the same mailer with the relevant information has come. And if I go back, you will see that the next day, if I open this, next day I'm going to get this mailer. So it says it's okay, let's talk, blah blah blah, all these things, feeling stuck, all these stuff, and every email has a CTA. So that means a AI psychiatrist can further be configured and can be given through a human loop so that the relevant filtered queries can reach to the relevant person, and whichever queries can be addressed on the chat console, people can take the benefit of it. So it's the best way to build AI driven businesses in new age world. And that is something that we are doing at Copilot Student. So reach out to us and discuss more with us. Thank you.